Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm trying out some Squid Game nail art. I am not really a nail artist by any means. I am just starting to dabble in nail art a little bit, and these nails would have been the death of me. They took me so long to do, and I'm still not even 100% happy with the way that they came out, but it's all about trying, and I did try my best, so I just needed to get the video out there because I just couldn't bring myself to delete it. In most cases, you are your biggest critic, so I'm hoping they really aren't that bad and it's just all in my head. Starting with the soldiers and their identifying shapes, I'm creating the face mask that they wear. Then I'm going to be taking some red polish and creating the coats. I'm going to be filling everything in, using rubbing alcohol to clean up any areas that I may have messed up. Adding as many details as possible is really what's going to make this nail art come to life. So you really just want to be as precise as you possibly can. Like I said, trying your best and hoping for the best outcome. I mixed in the littlest amount of white to kind of create this gray color, but keep it super dark, just to kind of distinguish some of the lines in the mask. And now we're going to be adding on the square, which was the superior soldiers. I do top coat each nail after I'm done with it. This one I'm using a no wipe top coat, a shiny top coat. Because I had a matte base on it, and with the amount of times that I had to start over using the alcohol, constantly cleaning it up, with the velvet matte top coat I had on top of the polish, it ended up looking really dingy and dirty, so I ended up using a shiny top coat to kind of mask some of the dirtiness that it looked like, because it didn't really look that white anymore. On my middle finger, I'm working on the red light, green light doll from the second episode, I believe it was. It was the first game that they played. This by far was the hardest nail. Drawing faces and making it look realistic is extremely difficult. After I finish with that, I do cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds and then I top coat it and cure it again just to make sure everything is secure. Moving on to the last nail, I'm going to be writing out the word Squid Game, and that'll be it for the set. Out of all the nails, this one was actually the easiest nail, and after I have everything all written out, I'm going to use some red and just kind of fill in some of the areas that have part of the logo filled in with red. Got them glued on. This here is the finished look. As I said, I'm not 100% happy with the way that they turned out, but I think you get the idea of what everything is supposed to be. Let me know in the comments down below if you've watched this show yet and what you think of this set. And thank you so much for joining me. I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!